Any plans for this one? Wala. Okay, to make it more exciting, let's take off the shoes of Candy and let's put her on the chair. In the middle. Let's put Candy on the chair. Let's put Candy on the chair. Okay, Adrian, can you pick up a chair and put it in the middle, please? Get a chair in the middle. There's one more down here. Get a chair and put it on the middle. Pinagpapawisan si Adrian. Okay, you may put Candy on top of the chair. Put Candy on the chair, standing up. She will hold you, he will hold you. Come on. Without shoes. You want it without shoes? I think it's better without the shoes. Okay, let's put her on the chair. It's better if you stand up. Yes, now, which foot would you like Candy to have the garter? Right. Now, slowly put the garter in the right foot. Slowly, I said. Yes. Hold on to Adrian. Yes, that's the point.
Ops! Tama na yan! Hanggang dyan lang! Hanggang dyan lang! Hanggang dyan lang! Hanggang dyan lang, pre! Hanggang dyan lang! Hanggang dyan lang, oy!